waters oscillate. Every captive hears the call. In your name